Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper dish rack wash arm support in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. If still intact, detach the old wash arm support from the rack. Prepare the new wash arm support for installation by transferring the wash arm from the old support to the new one. Insert the support into the bottle wash arm. Align the clips with the rack and snap the assembly into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward.